Hi, I'm Tony with Dan Am Company. We recently got asked, what is the difference between a SATA repair kit and a SATA maintenance set? So what we've got here is one of each, both of them for a SATA Jet 5000. The one right here is a repair kit. And in this repair kit, there's 15 different parts inside that box. So it includes everything from a fan knob if you lost that, with the screw to hold that in. It's got the small screw that holds in the air micrometer. There's a replacement air micrometer in here. The small spring washers that are mounted behind your trigger, all kinds of those things, plus the air distribution ring, air packing set, air piston packing, all of that stuff's in this kit. But there's multiple springs and everything. So this would be great if you have multiple 5000s and some of these parts are wear parts that you may need. However, if you've just got one gun that's down and you may need the most common packings or seals or an air distribution ring, we have what these maintenance sets are. And the maintenance sets are slimmed down versions to just do a quick repair on most of our major guns. And so in this one, there's only 8 parts, where the other one there's 15. So great little kit, obviously less money, but it has the important pieces like the air piston packing. It's got the air piston rod. It's got the seal for around the air cap, air distribution ring, and all of the major components that you might need. And with either of these, whether you get a maintenance set or a repair kit, they do fit for the specific gun model that they're for, both the HVLP and the RP models. If you need to order one now, contact your local SATA distributor.